Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B. Welcome to another episode where the truth lives here. And on this episode, I'm going to show you how to exfoliate your skin, how to exfoliate your beard. So let's cover some guidelines when it comes to the scrub. One, you want to scrub your face 2 to 3 times a week. That's enough. As far as the beard and the hair, you can use a scrub on both 1 to 2 times a week because there is skin underneath, so you still want to get your scrub in. Number 2, choose a light, gentle scrub. Even though our skin is thicker than women, doesn't mean that's better. In fact, there's studies that show that men's skin wounds heal a lot slower than women, so we have to be very cognizant of that and understand that we want to use something that is going to be pro health and not hinder, the glow. Talk about. Number 3, the third thing is when you are using the scrub, you want to massage it in your skin in a circular manner. Okay, in a circular manner, a very gentle and a circular manner, which leads me to the fourth thing that you want to consider is be gentle. You don't want to be super, strong on it. You don't want to put it in a headlock. You don't got to be that strong where the veins is popping out of you because you scrubbing so hard. No, we want to be gentle. Do your thing. Let's keep it moving. All right. Well, I hope those guidelines help you. Now we're about to go ahead and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. That's just a quick recap. Make sure you leave your comments below. A link for the My Face Scrub will be down in the description. This is your boy B, the Beard and Hair Science Guy, and I see you guys on the next episode. And we out.